Hey, guess what? We just discovered the perfect roofing material for Colorado Springs. Why is it so perfect? Because it's got all the advantages, all the benefits of an asphalt shingle, but it can't get beat up by hail. So it's actually it's tougher than metal or concrete tile. But why is it better than metal or concrete tile? Because it's not crazy expensive like metal or concrete tile. It's actually an affordable solution even for just normal homes. What's it called? F-Wave. Let's take a look.
So let me tell you a story about how the homeowner here decided to go with F-Wave for his roof. I was actually doing a bid for some neighbors of theirs just down the road here, and they were looking for a premium product to put on their roof, and so they were interested in presidential shingles. And there's some HOA requirements in this neighborhood that kind of dictate what grade of shingle you have to install on your roof, and kind of what product you kind of need to use. And so they had not heard about F-Wave before, and the HOA actually hadn't heard about F-Wave before. So I put together the technical data and sent them the pamphlets and stuff like that about F-Wave. So this homeowner, he was actually one of the people on the advisory board for the HOA. So he got the technical data that I sent him, or sent to the board, about F-Wave, and looked it over and was just really excited about the product. Before, on this house, they had a tile roof, and concrete tile, and they just weren't very happy with it. You know, it was older and it was pretty brittle, and they kept having issues with it breaking. I think they'd replaced 24 of the tiles in the past, and when I came out for my inspection the first time that they contacted me, there were at least another 14 or 15 that were broken, and they just had more breaking every time that somebody came out to work on the house. They had a leak in their skylight, or around their skylight, that was actually from a broken tile where it was letting water down, and it was flowing down basically through the ceiling into their kitchen. So they were just tired of the concrete tile, which is totally understandable given the frustrations that they were having with it. So came over, brought some samples of F-Wave for them, really kind of walked them through the great hail warranty that it had, walked them through how durable it was, and just how great it looks when it's installed. And they just really decided that they wanted to go with that. You know, I've talked about all the reasons why this homeowner decided to go with that, but how about, instead of just talking about them, how about I actually show you? So let's go ahead and climb up on the roof, and I'll show you some of the benefits of F-Wave that I really love. So one of the things I really like about F-Wave is just the incredible durability of this stuff. You know, I mean, it's 90 degrees out here today. If we were installing pretty much any asphalt shingle or something like that, you know, when it gets this warm, that stuff gets super soft, and you can see where it's been walked on. You know, it kind of pulls the shingle, just scuffs up the surface of it quite a bit. And I mean, you can see we walk around all this all day. In fact, they actually want us to walk around on it when it's warm and we're installing it, because it helps it seal better. So just to show you how fast it seals, I'm going to time this from when he lays the shingle down to when we can't pull it up anymore. Okay, let's go try it. Already stuck down. Can't even get it up with my fingernails.
So how fast?
48 seconds. It comes with a 5-year hail warranty. I mean, that's the only hail warranty in the industry right now is from F-Wave. And it's simply because they've tested it so much. It's so durable. You know, they've fired ice balls at it, steel balls at it, and they guarantee that it's not going to damage. So I've told you all the great things to make this easier to install, but why would you want this on your roof? There's some really benefits, I think, to this for the homeowners themselves, right? This is a product that's really designed for the average home, right? The cost is higher than asphalt shingles, but it's nowhere close to a lot of the other premium products. You know, pretty much any other synthetic shake look or slate look product out there is going to be thousands of dollars more for the house, and they're really designed for high-end homes. You know, this is designed for the average homeowner. Doesn't have to have $1 million house, you know, to put this on their roof. It's just a great option, great dependability, got that industry only hail warranty on it, you know, and so it's just a great option to get a really premium product without the price that all the other premium products on the market are going for right now. So another thing that I think homeowners will really like about this is that it doesn't lose all the little granules on it. You know, if you've ever gotten up on your gutters and just found them full of sand from your shingles, you know, this doesn't do that. It's just plastic. There's nothing on it to fall off. So that's annoying, right? To get up there, find that big mess, it's full of water, it's basically turned into mud, right? It's just no fun. So, you know, this is 100% going to eliminate that. Your gutters are going to stay clean. And the other thing too with it being so durable is that you don't have to worry about people getting up on your roof. So if you got service people coming over, maybe you need your furnace vent worked on or your chimney cleaned or something like that, and you got to have people on your roof, you know, the roof that we're on right now used to be concrete tile. Every time they had somebody over here trying to do any service, whether it was on the roof or on anything else like the skylights, there were more tile getting broken. And it just was kind of a vicious cycle. And like we were saying earlier, you know, asphalt shingles, when they get hot, they can get damaged just from somebody walking on it. Not an issue here with F-Wave. One other thing that's really awesome about this is just the fact that this is plastic and it is recyclable, especially in Colorado where, you know, every few years it seems like we have probably hundreds of thousands of tons of asphalt shingles going just to the dump, just to sit there. You know, this stuff, we can turn it into a recycling center and they can turn it into 1,000 other things.
So in summary, F-Wave is way tougher than a normal asphalt shingle. It's better in hail than even a metal roof. Hail hits a metal roof, it could end up looking like a golf ball. That's not going to happen with F-Wave. F-Wave is better than a concrete tile because it actually holds up better to hail than even concrete tile. And after a few years, when those tiles get brittle, they're going to start breaking. People can't walk on them. F-Wave, not a problem. I think that if you're going to replace your roof, you should do it with something like F-Wave. No, actually, I think you should do it with F-Wave. And actually, I think that you should let Homestead Roofing put the F-Wave roof on your house. So if you've got any questions about F-Wave or anything related to roof replacements, roof repairs, the insurance claim process, give us a call right up here. Our office phone number is 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website. That's right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. We've got a ton of information out there, lots of blog articles, lots of videos, all of it educational for you. We've even got an article out there about F-Wave now. If you like this video, if it's been helpful for you, please give us the big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon up there so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. If you've got questions you want us to answer in a video, leave those in the comments section down below. Until our next video, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.